And I think reasoning models are almost like, when our kids become teenagers, because I remember, and I see it with my wife's son as well. When I got to 15, 16, I thought I was the smartest thing alive. And that's pretty normal for teenagers until life beats the hell out of you over the next 20 years and you become a bit more humble. So I wonder if reasoning models are not like the teenagers of large language models. They are smarter and wiser, but maybe they're wiser than they think they are. What I must say, what does irk me from the reasoning models is that it takes so much longer to give you what you need, but obviously because it's busy reasoning. But why I allude to it as a teenager, because even though the 17-year-old is much better than the 10-year-old, they still don't know what they don't know. And they still make assumptions, and they actually
Right.
think they're smarter than they are. And I wonder for me if that's not a good metaphor of where we are now. It's better than the 10-year-old, but it's not like a 40-year-old. So you can't always trust it, and it takes too long to figure it out.